Hey everybody. No fragrance, but I am in front of the Osteospermum Voltage Gold. These things are on fire. Check them out. They are very bright, sun-loving annuals that you can grow in your garden with ease. They will get about 16 inches tall and about 16 inches wide. Stick them in a pot, stick them in the ground, and they're gonna add some serious drama to your garden. They are an easy plant to grow. You can put them as a centerpiece in a pot and put trailing things around them. You could put something tall behind them and stick them in front. They're a good middle layer coming in at 16 inches tall and 16 inches wide. They also come in lots of different colors. These happen to be the Voltage Golds that we're talking about right now, but Osteos come in lots of different colors. You can always look for them on our shop.earthworksjax website to check our current live inventory. And also, don't forget to check us out on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook for more gardening tips and tricks to keep you guys growing all year round. See y'all next time.